Hey friends, welcome to Casa Santorini, one of the most peaceful and elevated homes here in Las Catalinas. Let me show you why this place is so special. Alright, we're starting on the ground level. You've got this really nice wide entry. As soon as you come in, you're greeted by two beautiful hanging chairs on both sides. And one of the first things that you'll notice is the elevator that connects all the 4 levels of this house. Down here, you also have garage spaces on both sides of the property where you will be able to park 3 or 4 cars and all the toys that you'll need to live in Las Catalinas. This level is perfect for the kids of the family. You've got a fully set up kids room, right next to that it's a guest suite with its own views, perfect for visiting family or friends. And for the adults in the family who still like to have some fun, there's a wine cellar back here with a pool table. Now, let's head up to the 3rd floor because this is where everything really all comes up. We're now on the 3rd floor and this is really the heart of the house. The living area opens right into the kitchen and just the whole space feels super bright and connected to the beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean. Out on the terrace, you've got the pool right in front of you and the views are amazing. On the same level, there's also a gym with ocean views. It's a great spot if you like to stay active or just start a day with a good workout. Now we're heading up to the top floor. This is the 4th and final floor. Up here, it's all about family. Everyone got their own room and there's also a chair lounge to spend time together. This is the master bedroom and just look at that, straight ocean views right from your bed. There are 2 more bedrooms on this floor, each with their own bathroom and private balcony. It's designed to feel both private and connected, ideal for family living. And one of the things that makes Casa Santorini so special is where it is located. Las Catalinas is one of the most beautiful communities in Costa Rica. There are no cars here, there's walkable paths, 2 beaches, hiking trails, restaurants, and beach club. It's made for people who love to live outside. It's the kind of a spot where life slows down a little, and that's part of what makes it so special. If you're looking for a change in your lifestyle, a place where luxury living meets nature and other activities, reach out. I would love to show you around.